Yo, what's good, boys? This is a little, I guess, turn up my mic a little bit. This is just a little recap of what's been going on, and a little recap of the month too, and how things are going. So far, things are going pretty good. I know I haven't made a video in a minute. I was really just trying to be focused on what I was doing, but I'm thinking about like making these videos to like make them to where I can look back on them. This is gonna be a little bit of a yap session, but yeah, basically, uh, going over today's thought process. I mean, dude, yesterday was a crazy day for me, bro. I didn't touch my main account, but my friend showed me a W on an Asia trade that he took on gold, and I decided to FOMO and I activated a funded account that I had that I didn't use. It wasn't my main account, it was a funded account, and I blew that account. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm never trading gold ever again. Shout out to my friend though. I'm glad he's able to scalp and actually make money on other stuff. But I'm just gonna solely stick focused on Nasdaq because of the fact that like it's just like my focus is mainly on Nasdaq and my plan is to mainly only trade Nasdaq the rest of this week and not be distracted because I have a very ambitious plan that I'm executing currently right now. So I cannot be distracted doing other stuff. Regardless, I didn't allow that to affect my mental today. Today I just simply I took a break and went to bed early last night, relatively early, like 9 a.m. and woke up at 7 a.m. So I was not looking forward to trading Monday because of the fact we're at all-time highs, all-time high conditions on a Monday. This major freaking gap I wanted to see get filled. We did not fill this gap, unfortunately, which is totally fine. And yeah, we just continue to go higher. Obviously, you can see prices just ranging higher in London. I also know one of the moderators that I know that's in the chat. His name's Osman. He was telling me that like typically if Asia and London doesn't sweep this or take out this gap that I was looking for to get filled, then we're probably just gonna end up continuing higher, which is what we're actually doing right now. So, I mean, I could have definitely caught 50 points today, but at the same time, guys, like, I don't like this type of chop. This is the type of chop that I mess up in, and this is the type of chop that I take unnecessary losses in. This is the type of chop that removes my progression. This is the type of chop that I FOMO and get destroyed. So, I'm just really just taking the time to analyze this day. I woke up at 7 a.m., so I did not wake up for market open because I was not looking to trade today because it's a lower probable day. Because of the fact it's a no news Monday, there's a big fat gap. We're at all-time highs. Government still shut down. Just all those things. But it's exactly the way that my mentor said it was going to be, a cumulative day. And tomorrow actually might end up being a cumulative day also. So tomorrow when I actually trade my account, I'm going to have to be very careful. So yeah, boys. Basically what we see here is, I mean, we're just like in this general range. I know mentor, my mentor usually loves, so we can mark out this general range we're in right here. You could say that this is the general range. So of this general range that we're in, I mean, price really just, from what I see from pre-market, I mean, where's pre-market? Uh, so pre-market really just we're not really doing anything. This is just a crappy day. We're not up a lot of points. We're not down a lot of points. So it's going to be a manipulative day, and we're going to be looking for something. So we can use this general range as our from this this London high and this London low because it's before 8 a.m. the New York session. So these are still key draws on liquidity. Price market open came up. Where is it at? Yeah, price market open manipulated this internal low, then came up, took out this external high, then we took out this external low of this general range. I guess you could say that's the external low of this, all these lows right here. This is like the main low. We manipulated that low with with an internal manipulation. There's no SMT there, so if I'm correct, there's no SMT. So I mean, seeing that would be a little confusing for me. I won't lie. because I don't know where price genuinely wants to go. So that confusion could definitely throw a lot of people off. So yeah, look. So we manipulated both these highs, no SMT. So we have no SMT, which is a good factor that shows a reversal. An SMT is a really good tool to use for reversal. So seeing this manipulation and then seeing that the Sibi disrespect right here at 938, I mean, but back then I probably would FOMO, target this high, put my stops below this displacement low, 14-point stop. That's valid, but the only thing is that not valid actually. You're entering off a liquidity internal manipulation that's lower probable. Your stops need to go below the actual manipulation low that actually held. Look, guys, you see, this is the reason why we didn't manipulate this low because it's a protected low. So I should not even took that. This is a This is a FOMO trade. Right here is a FOMO trade. Boom, got used as liquidity. And I probably would not even enter that trade. Me seeing that, because it's not at 940, I typically enter at a specific timing. So, seeing price displaced lower, we did rebalance into this order block right here. We respected the order block at 50%, and then we displaced up higher, took out this internal liquidity. I'm seeing that, I could definitely see something. If I have the bullish bias of seeing that we've displaced up higher Asia and London, we could definitely have the bullish bias, and then coming down here at 950, seeing this SMT instead of this order block. Order block is still being respected. No candle closure below 50%. I could definitely enter the longs here, targeting 50 points. Yeah, easily 50 points. And then trail stops accordingly, like probably like right here. Trail stops accordingly as we're displacing above here. Get a rebalance into here. 10-point stop. That's literally like 400 bucks for my sizing, so that's not that bad. Uh, but yeah, then I'll be able to get 50 points. But I think ideally I'd only target maybe like 45 points, maybe like 40 points above this high. But I could definitely be anticipating a continuation sequence. But again, boys, like this is just off of nothing clean. Liquidity. I'm just gonna do my best to avoid like liquidity sweeps that are like this. But then like knowing that I have to put my stops, bro, all the way below here just to make it valid is not really nice. I don't like that. I really don't like that. So this day overall was lower probable as a whole because we manipulated this high, we manipulated this high. You don't know which manipulation is really going to hold because we actually ended up respecting this order block up here. Um, Pretty sure it is right here. Yeah, we tapped into that order block, then we displaced up lower, rebalanced in this order block, respected this order block, coming back open, manipulated this internal low, then we came back open and then manipulated. We have this accumulation over here, then we have the manipulation, then we have the distribution all the way up here. So, I mean, it's just overall a choppy day, and this is the best day to step away, but the ideal move was definitely at 950. The 950 manipulation, seeing price rebalance back into this order block, then respect it with SMT, displacement up higher, Sibi inversion. Yeah, this is a entry right here that I could have definitely entered off of. But the fact why this is more higher probable is because I'm entering off of an SMT. The SMT manipulation is what causes reversals to the next high. So discipline wise, just 30 points is all I need. I could definitely go for 50 points with the criteria of a continuation at all-time highs, just like last Monday. Literally every day presents 50 points, boys. I'm not even joking. So I mean, yeah, that's pretty simple thought process today. I'm glad I didn't trade this day because I need to really study like and really look at how price is moving. Like, dude, if I enter right here, it would work out, sure it would work out. But look, bro, 40-point stop loss is diabolical, genuinely diabolical. And you're only getting like 36 points. Actually, you could get 50 points here, but dude, this is a horse dookie crap like entry right here, bro. Like, no, that's not what you want, bro. You want this manipulation. Like, dude, you're just entering off a liquidity sweep. Like, it's just pattern trading, bro. It's just pattern trading at the end of the day. And when price is giving you a stop loss that's above like 25 points, it's probably best to just step away and look for something much cleaner, like 950, actually showing the manipulation. So I think I'm glad I didn't take that FOMO based entry. And I mean, I also learned a couple things too. Um, but yeah, looking at this general range, we see the manipulations also in the the discount of the range. discount of this general range. We came back low, manipulated in the order block range, and discount, inversion of Sibi, displacement up higher, entry accordingly, targeting 50 points. That could definitely be permissible. So maybe it actually wasn't a bad day, but it still was a bad day because of the fact of this horse crap accumulation. We don't want to see this. This is where people blow their accounts. This is where people just lose. This is where I would just genuinely crash out, probably blow my account, and I'm glad I avoided it. I'm honestly glad I avoided it. I'm glad I got my sleep. And I wouldn't have been able to trade it either way because literally yesterday, boys, I accidentally locked myself out. And dude, the diabolicalness of what happened in Asia, bro. I'm tired of Asia, guys. I'm honestly my mental is better now because I got sleep and I'm not looking to ever trade Asia like that with gold. Sure, I'll trade Asia in with Nasdaq when I'm, ripping payouts and stuff and I'm qualified, but I'm not looking to trade it right now, boys, because of the fact that like it's just not worth it. It's really not worth it, boys. And right now it's just best to be focused on the AM session and really just understand what I'm looking at right now, boys. So that's pretty much it, boys. I'll probably come out with a weekly recap of what my trades are gonna be. I'm thinking about it, but I just like don't want to like be too. I mean, this is probably not gonna go viral. It's just like for videos to look back on from when I make it, boys. So pretty much it, boys. Hope you guys understood that. This was the optimal entry that I got from Osman, which is the Discord that I'm in, the mentorship that I'm in with Salman Nasuri. So yeah, boys. Overall, I killed it last week. I'm looking to kill it this Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then yeah, boys. Pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. See you, boys.